Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing regarding email notification. How you wanted to test email notification and what are the various scenarios which we can use this email notification for testing purposes. I'm going to discuss in this video around 20 test scenarios regarding email notification so that you can well versed in how to test this email notification and what you require to be tested as part of email notification. Let us proceed further. The first we will try to understand what is all about a email notification. Email notification is very essential that guarantees that things are delivered correctly or things are happened properly or even things have done properly in the online systems. It could be on the web based or it could be mobile based. That is the situation this email notification will trigger. Now, by taking an example, one is during successful registration confirmation. If you take any application in that matter, whenever you are trying to register, you will be getting an email notification successfully saying that your registration was successful on a particular platform. Let's say your Gmail, your Facebook, wherever you are registered, your email ID, you will get an email saying that your registration is successful. Even Amazon or any banking application in that matter. So you should be getting welcome to the particular platform and your registration is successful. So that is the place we can adopt this email notification testing. That is number one scenario. And the second scenario, you can say the password reset. Whenever you are requesting for a password reset, even this situation also you should get a password reset notification. And the next is password change notification. Once you have changed the password, the existing password, then you should get the notification that time as well whenever there is a change in your password. And the next one is order confirmation. If you shop in any e-commerce application where you pay the order and you place the complete order on any e-commerce platform, then also you should get a confirmation with all the order details. Otherwise, you will be not knowing whether you really placed the order or whatever, right? If you get an email notification, that means you have successfully placed an order in the e-commerce application. And shipping notification. After placing an order, you are waiting for any email communication is happening for whether order has been shipped so that we can plan your things properly with a tracking ID in it. Then we can use that shipping notification for verification purposes. And even the next type of notification is delivery confirmation. Once a product which you ordered in the e-commerce application, if that is shipped and it is got delivered to you, then also you should get a notification. That time also you will get an email notification by saying your order has been delivered successfully. And there are situations that you are going to take some subscription such as Amazon subscription or your Tata Play subscription or Airtel subscription. When you take a subscription, there are situations happen that you should renew. Maybe after 1 month or after 3 months, your subscription will expire. That time you should get an email saying that you are about to expire your subscription, you will be required to renew it. That kind of email notification also should send by the application. And even after renewal confirmation, after paying the subscription fees, then you should get also a renewal confirmation. That kind of scenarios also you should test as part of this subscription notification. And even whenever you are paying the bills, even that time also you should get a payment receipt via email. That includes the payment details and how much you paid and what is the transaction ID also you should get as part of your email communication. Then invoice notification is also another way of functionality where if there is a generation in the invoice for a given user, even that time also you should get an email notification saying that this is the invoice is generated, and how you can download also there should an email link should be there so that people can download that invoice as well. If there is any promotion offers are there for any given application, even that situation, there should be an option or scenario where when there is a new promotional offer, there should be an email notification for discounts or promotional offers. Event reminders as well. When there is a event has been registered by the user in a given application, when there is that event about to happen, you should get an update or reminder on the event details and date, so that the person can plan accordingly. For a given account, if it is getting deactivated, as an user, you should be able to get certain warning messages via emails. Even that time, so you'll be using this deactivation notifications. That time you should get a certain example like this. And even after deactivation is done, then confirmation messages also you should get as a user notification, such as like your account has been deactivated, something like that. And even whenever you are getting any new message notification, even that time also you should get a message saying that this is how the new message which you have got from the particular user. Even when there is a comment has been added in the application, even that time also you should get a comment notification for a particular post. So even this kind of scenarios also you can implement in a particular application. And even error notification, if there is an error in the operation, while doing a certain operation, you should get that error notification via email as well, what has happened, because you did certain thing in your account, and if something really things goes drastically differently, then you should get that error notification. Even whenever you are trying to subscription, you are going to cancel, that time also you should get certain notification for the cancellation. And even after account is deactivated, if you wanted to reactivate the account, even that time also you should get a email notification. Even security alerts also you can get it via email notification. Like if there is a suspicious login attempt is going to happen for your account, even that time also it should trigger a email alerting the user saying that there is a suspicious login attempt with the location details and the time which there is an attempt in the security perspective. These are the certain user scenarios which we normally will have to test as part of email notification. As a testing perspective, how you wanted to test this each scenario. Normally for each scenarios you should do is, whatever the operation we till discuss or scenarios we discuss, operation we should perform, that is action you should perform. Either it could be a registration or a new user order registration or whatever, right? When that action has been triggered, so we'll have to see email is delivered or not for a user's inbox. Once the user inbox, the delivery is happening, you should see whatever the content which has written in that email is correct or not, including the subject line, body text, links and formatting. And we should also check for personalization as well. In certain places, it should be not a generic email you should send as a notification. That includes name, order details. If you put a customized or personalized email, that would help the end user that is their own message. Otherwise, people will get confused. And you should also you should attach the links as well as attachments if required, like order copy, invoice copy, or whatever links if you wanted to give, you can give there as part of this email notification. And you should also see to that whether the email is coming to the inbox or that email is going for spam or junk email. So that also we should see whenever we are trying to test for this email notification functionalities.